Hey there! So, it seems like your Windows 11 taskbar is acting up, not responding, going blank, freezing, or just not working at all. No need to panic. Instead of reaching out to tech support, I've got you covered. In this guide, I'll walk you through fixing these pesky issues step by step. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. Solution 1. Restart Windows Explorer. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. After that, in the search box of Task Manager, type Windows Explorer. Then right-click on the Windows Explorer process and select Restart from the top context menu. Once it's restarted, check if that solves the issue. Solution 2. Repair Windows System Files. First up, click on Search icon down here and type in CMD. Then simply right-click on Command Prompt from the search results. Choose Run as Administrator and click Yes to grant permission. Now in this Command Prompt window, type in sfc/scannow and hit Enter. After that, type in DISM/online/cleanupimage/CheckHealth and press Enter. Next, type DISM/online/cleanupimage/scanhealth and press Enter. Then type in DISM/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth and press Enter. Don't fret, you can find these commands in the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and check if that did the trick. Solution 3. End processes using Task Manager. Open up Task Manager just like before, then switch to the Details tab. In the search box, type Runtime Broker and these processes should show up. Right-click on the first one and select End Task, then click on End Process from the pop-up. Repeat this for the other tasks as well. Next, type in Search Host in the search box. Right-click on searchhost.exe and select End Task. After that, click on End Process from the pop-up. Then type in Shell Experience Host in the search bar. Right-click on shellexperiencehost.exe and select End Task just like before. Click on End Process from the pop-up. Lastly, close the Task Manager and now the taskbar should start working as usual. And there you have it. That's how you tackle those taskbar woes in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, so please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.